Before making a selection, I will first refactor, since there are many overlaps, and then continue. First, if we compare middle view and middle view 3, we can see that this view overlaps with the other view, and the texts overlap as well, except for specific values. Next, if you look at the text input, you will see that the style being toss text input also overlaps, the presence of a placeholder overlaps, and the value and on change text focusing also overlaps. So I'm going to refactor this part. First, let's ignore this part and create one called const text generator. What about the arguments here? I will receive them as a value. Called props. Let's return it. So let's first copy what's inside this mid view, and then try changing it. First, I'll copy this styles and paste it here. And I will also temporarily use this part as styles too. Next, since the border bottom color was a skate value within the app, let's remove it, along with the orange and gray. Then, if you input styles 2 into this test generator, it will yield the same value. Now, from this point onward, I will change it to the value of props.name, and I will change the placeholder to the value of props.name. So next, please write a test generator at the very bottom. And since I will be creating the name part, I will set the name to name. Then, since phone num is a state value within this app, it will throw an error saying it cannot find the value of phone num. Please change this part to a full option value. I will pass the phone num as a value here, and I'll comment out this part. For a moment, I will also comment out this part for a moment. So now we only have two options, media 3 and. Now let's go back once more. And since this new phone num was a state value in the app, let's receive it with props on change. And go to the test generator to set phone num. Let's send the new phone num using the on change value, since we decided to use our name instead of phone num for the value. Let's set it to name. Now, Let's pass the value of the bottom color of this set folder to the next focus as a prop since it is contained here. I will pass it with the name set border color. After coming in and moving, I will pass the unused set border color number 5. I'm trying to test it next time, but I'm getting an error. It seems like there's an error with set border color because I didn't attach the props. Then, after making this text input into an array, border bottomer color is a prop. Let's change border bottomer color. Then I'll go back and set border color to color number 5. When I input it, this part works well, too, since I'm passing the name in on change. So it operates correctly.